In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple assignees in Asana. A quick note up front, Asana is designed so that each task has a single owner or assignee. If you want several people to track the same task, the Asana approved way is to add them as collaborators. Collaborators receive notifications, can comment, and stay in the loop, which effectively lets multiple people follow and act on the task while one person remains clearly accountable. Start by opening Asana and heading to your home view. This gives you a clean starting point and ensures you're in the right workspace. From the left-hand sidebar, click on My Tasks. This view shows tasks assigned to you, which is often the fastest way to find the item you want to share. If your task lives in a project, you can still begin here and then search or navigate, but we'll keep it simple and work from My Tasks. Find the task you want to involve others in and click it to open the task details. You'll see the task panel with the title, due date, assignee, description, and activity. Scroll down to the bottom area of this panel until you see the Collaborators section. This is where you can add additional people who need visibility or need to contribute. Click the plus icon next to Collaborators. A field will open where you can start typing a person's name or their work email. As you type, Asana will suggest matching teammates in your workspace. Click the correct person from the list to add them. Repeat this process for each additional person you want to include. There's no need to change the assignee. Collaborators will still receive updates whenever the task changes, comments are posted, or the task is completed. A couple of tips to keep things smooth. If you can't find someone when you type, they may not be part of your Asana organization or team yet, or you may not have permission to add them. In that case, check with your admin or invite them through your standard company process. Also, be intentional with collaborators. Add people who truly need to be notified so updates remain meaningful and signal real action. Once added, collaborators appear in that same section, and you can manage this list at any time. Everyone you include will automatically follow the task, saving you from sending separate messages or duplicating work. That's it. Open Home, go to My Tasks, open the task, scroll to Collaborators, hit the plus icon, and add each teammate by name or email. You've now effectively set up multiple assignees in Asana using collaborators while keeping clear ownership on the task.